In this video, we are going to be analysing AKRO. So to get straight into it, we can see it's up over 100% as we're recording this video. And what do we expect further resistance levels to be from where we are now? And really the key thing to see is we can see the highest or the furthest out resistance we have is actually at $29.50, which we can see is actually where we near enough peaked on the day. We can see we came into this level pre-market, kind of faded back below it quite quickly and tested it once more when market opened and again failed. So it's really showed us these levels are holding, and really we would expect to start seeing a pullback on AKRO. And where do we expect these pullbacks to take us? As of right now, our closest level is at $25.50. Taking us lower would take us to $24.25. And then breaking below that would be quite a far push to around $21.50. And then pushing lower at $19 down to $17.50. And then final levels taking us to around $13.50, because that would be basically around that gap fill location, and to be more precise on that gap fill location would be $12.50. If we were able to break below the gap fill location and continue down, then we do have lower levels at $9.25, $8, and then kind of a final level at $5.40 and $3. Now do note, this is something that we don't usually give our bias on stocks, because we like to give you these levels whether you're trying to trade to the upside or downside. But really on this stock, it has, or we would expect it to have, it already reached its peak, and really we would be a lot more bearish on this stock, expecting it to continue down, really past the 25, past the 24, and in time fade down to the 21 and really back down to that gap fill location at around $14. Anyway, that is the breakdown on AKRO. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on NRBO.